Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all will be best. In this new video we are going to share with you that what is Taskrabbit and how to make money with Taskrabbit. This app can connect you with paying gigs such as rocking leaves and waiting in line. For people looking for ways to make money by doing jobs on the side, TaskRabbit can be a solid option. But before you make yourself available to assemble like furniture and run errands by be sure you know what is involved. So let's start the video and first we tell you that what is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an odd job service that operates in over 60 US cities and connect user called taskers to paying gigs. Taskers set their own rates and may get tips. Popular jobs with higher earning potential include handyman type task, moving and cleaning according to the company. How to work with TaskRabbit and make money. To be eligible, you must be 18 or older, have a checking account, credit card, and smartphone, and fast background and ID checks. You need to use the Tasker mobile app to create an account and go through the verification process. You will have to provide basic information about yourself, upload a profile photo, set up direct deposit, set pay rates, and state your level of experience per your task category. For each service you provide, you will also have to add a quick fetch detailing why people should pick your services. More on that later. To help you maintain positive reviews and rating, TaskRabbit recommends limiting those services to ones you can perform at a high quality level. If TaskRabbit approves your application, uh, you will be charged a non-refundable $25 registration fee, and that's the only bill you will foot as a tasker. All other fees comes from clients. And now, uh, TaskRabbit jobs that you can do as a tasker. Uh, Here are just a few ways to make money on TaskRabbit. Note that some task type may be available only in certain cities. Also, clients are expected to uh, reimburse you through the platform as opposed to with cash for tasks that require you to make an upfront purchase. For example, when picking up an item that wasn't prepared, in these cases you will need to upload the receipt. Make deliveries. Deliveries tasks are among the most in demand on TaskRabbit. Assignment may include delivery of items such as groceries to a busy household. Uh, TaskRabbit website show tasks are typically on from $25 to $62 per delivery project. You need access to transportation to complete delivery task. In most cases, you can won't get uh, reimbursed for expenses like gas or parking. Decorate, turn your creative talent into a side gig. You can help decorate for an event such as a wedding or a house party. Assemble furniture. Putting together furniture is a sought after skill that pays well too. They typically assemble projects commands from $59 to $141 unless otherwise specified. Be prepared for bring your own tools to complete the job. Help at a party. Pick up gigs such as a bartender, server, or career for events. Tasker might also be called on the great guest and help with setup and cleanup. Some requests for party staff may be more unconventional, especially around the hall when tasker can often get gigs that simply require them to dress and costume and mingle with guests. Clean house. Few people like to clean. That's probably why the average cleaning job pay for 70 to $155 on Taskrabbit. Purchase a mop and some cleaning supplies on a reputation for uh, work, and that make can be your. You can lend a one-time cleaning gig or recurring stint depending on the request. So these were the real ways through which you can make money with Task Rabbit. Thanks for watching the video.